Hi guys, Nisi Love Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be talking about the feed dog. So let's get started. This is actually my second video on this topic. My first video I had to kind of throw away because one of my viewers pointed out that it was incorrect, and they were correct. So let's go back to the drawing board and we'll do it again. So in this video, let's talk about feed dogs. The feed dogs are one of the most silent, important functions of the sewing machine. Now, if I zoom in, you will see that the feed dogs are raised here, okay? The feed dogs assist with the fabric moving smoothly across the needle plate, and so that your stitch can come together smoothly. So if they are not in the correct position, which is a little bit above, you see that they're a little bit raised above the needle plate, then you're going to have major issues with your sewing. So sometimes they may accidentally get lowered, or you may have to lower them to do some type of function with the machine. So I'm going to show you how to raise them and lower them. So what I'll do is I'm going to turn my machine to the back. If you look here, there is a switch here. And what you have to do is, if you want to lower the feed dogs, if you're looking here, I'm going to flip the switch to the left and it lowers the feed dogs. Now, if you have to raise them, it's super easy. But you're going to push the lever to the right, and then you're going to turn your hand wheel counterclockwise and let the feed dogs just keep pushing it, keep turning it until the feed dogs come all the way up. So I'll give you a close-up of what I just did. I'm going to lower them by pushing the switch to the left, and then if I want to raise them, I'll push the switch to the right, as well as turn the hand wheel counterclockwise until they come back up. Okay, so that's a super easy way to maneuver the feed dogs if needed. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to our YouTube page as well as like our video. Follow us on social media, as well as give us video comments and ideas. And thanks for watching, and happy sewing.